Today, while Xiaofeng is doing the bolt trusses, I painted the wall, the concrete surface, painted with thin silicone, liquid silicone, painting. You see it, here's the brush. It's hard to see, but it has the silicone coating, and so that it's food safe and protect the concrete and protect the leaching of other stuff from the concrete. Because you can actually use concrete directly, but you have to wash it, you have to soak it, make sure the things won't leach out from the concrete, change the pH. But now, as we did, we paint everything with silicone coating, liquid silicone, so everything's protected. And hopefully tonight there will be no rain, so tomorrow morning might be rain, but by that time everything should be dry, because this coating is pretty dry, pretty fast. As long as the solvent evaporated and everything dries. Okay, that's it. Just to show two bolt trusses. We finished welding, and now we sand the joint, welding joint, and then apply corrosion paint to everywhere that the metal exposed, so it's protect the metal from corrosion. This is the top. This is the top triangle. We find this spot is relatively weak, and this spot also relatively weak. So we use flat bar, weld it vertically to this area, so that it's strengthened. And the flat bar on the top, we use small square tubes to hold it, to brace this flat bar, so they won't flex too much. Anyway, this is the other side, and that's it.